Like, you know, I like making funny faces. You know, I'm a silly guy. Like, if I like make a silly face, like that's my face. You know, but people are like, oh, like there's still a bit of pink eye in him, and I'm like, yeah, I guess there is. But it's really just me making a face. So I just got a new studio, and I to record at, and I needed a desk to put my shit on. So we went to IKEA. Boy, oh boy, I love building shit. Fun fact: I did hear that like IKEA, like it had something to do with World War II. I forgot. Fuck. What the fuck is this? You know where I can find like a desk?
The desks are just do a zigzag.
A zigzag, like.
So just go through there and come around this way.
Come back? What do you mean?
Just go
Sorry.
through there and go that way.
Oh, like this way. Okay. I grew up in Japan until I was 18, just looking at like funnyjunk.com and stuff like that, and just through like internet shit, like E-Bombs World, like that was popping back in the day, like through that, like, and maybe like early YouTube, yeah, like I was able to really get a good grasp on not only like American culture, but like internet culture as well. This is like when you want to sit with someone at the desk, but you don't like really fuck with them that much. So like it's like, all right, like you stay that way. I'd say, I mean, a desk is something you're gonna have for like a long time, you know. So I'd probably say like you could probably drop $500 on that. Around the time I was in 5th grade or 6th grade, that was when A Milli came out by Lil Wayne, and I was like, this is fucking cool. I want to recreate the beat, and then I recreated it, and I showed it to my friends at school, and they were like, whoa, like how'd you do this? And I was like, you just recreated it. And then they were like, whoa, and then I was like, all right. Oh, this is nice. IKEA business. Let me test it out. What's up, Drake? Fuck you. You can keep your $3 million. Fuck you. I mean, it was nerve-wracking at the beginning. Just, you know, oh, like, you know, what if it's whack? You know, I think everyone feels like that at the beginning, and then, you know, after the first song's received well, then it's just like, okay, well, fingers crossed, let's just keep going. Hey, yo, Drake. Yeah, what's up? Oh, it's $5 million now? I'll think about it. Definitely gotta have plants in the studio, because it gets musty in there, especially when you got a lot of people in there. Damn, this one's thick. When we were on the internet 24/7, that also came with like a vast, wide, international internet humor. You know what I mean? So I think we were both able to learn that at a very young age. And through that, I think we are able to have a stronger connection with our fans. Here we are. Wow. Yeah. A whole family portrait. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
I've never built like an IKEA desk before, but like I've just heard like it's difficult to build the desk. Okay. No. They don't tell you about all the metal parts like that are in there. Like there's literally just like a bag of it, and they expect you to really like dig through that shit. And I don't know, maybe I'm just inept, but there definitely was a issue there. I'm gonna have to flip this in one motion. I had to call IKEA guy, try to get it fixed, because it was getting pretty messy, the situation.
Please visit our website where you can check stock availability, download assembly instructions, or visit your local store page to get the latest on services and events.
Agent.
For store information,
Agent.
press 1.
How do you build a desk?
How do you build a desk? Everything laid out correct?
I mean, there's wood everywhere. Poor guy. He's just trying to do his job. Funny guy though, great guy, yeah. Fuck this, man. Nah, I'm not about it. Nah, it's too much. I'm too done for this shit, man. It's not okay.
Exactly, that's like not happen.
Went well?
Yeah, I see. I'm gonna do that BVS bust down.
We are at Terminal 5. It's Terminal 5, right? Yeah, we're at Terminal 5 doing a show. In Asia, when I was touring there, like that was my first time doing like, you know, really big shows. I was very nervous, but then after like the third show, like, you know, it became fun.
Oh, oh dear.
Time live.
Thank you.
I've never seen it live. So, stay right here for me. Well, one of them, I guess it's like a real thing.
Dude, your face came up and it went crazy. Oh, hello. Are you ready?